Okay, I want to take you through my 91-day action plan because you are following the WhatsApp channel. And the goal with this whole 91-day action plan is to show people how to grow your business with 100,000 Rand a month in recurring revenue. That's my goal for this 91 days. So the main focus for the next 91 days is to grow with 100,000 Rand in recurring revenue. The way I want to do that is actually by gaining 30 new clients on my basic monthly subscription of 997 Rand a month, and that's to work with me on a monthly basis in group form and get access to a whole bunch of extra stuff that you can read up on the website. The second level is to gain 15 clients on the 1,897 Rand option, and that's to work with me also once a month, one-on-one with the group coaching stuff. Then the idea from this is to gain enough momentum for people over here so that they can upgrade to the bootcamp level, or they can go directly to the bootcamp level where they will actually be able to work with me in one-on-one in a really aggressive way to grow their business. Then the other plan is to gain a little bit of once-off money, and the decision with that is to actually earn my way into spending money on Facebook, because a lot of people will go like, yeah, but you've got the money to spend on Facebook to grow the following. So I decided not to spend any money on Facebook until I actually hit about 20,000 Rand in once-off income. Then I will do a Facebook campaign on that to then take that to the next level, scale it a little bit faster, grow the database a little bit faster, and then generate a lot more momentum that way. So that's the goal with this. Next week we'll probably put up a coupon code to get a 30% discount on that 1497 option. The goal with that is to help people unlock about 10,000 Rand in their business if they're going to go apply what we talk about. So that's the goal with this one. Then if people want to upgrade that one and would spend 90 minutes with me, they can actually buy my power session, which is usually about 4,500. We'll also build a bit of a coupon code there to get a discount over here. And that's to help people get 25,000 Rand unlocked in their business. And the goal with these two options is actually, if I can't help them, I'll just give them their money back. So there's no real risk for people. So the goal with this is to help people experience coaching so then it's easier to convert to the one-on-one coaching. All right, so that's the goal with the actual main goal, the strategy behind that, in short. The idea of Monday's live group coaching session for people that's on the following and subscribe to that 1,497 Rand option. One of the benefits there is also you get to spend time with me live on my tribe with a whole bunch of other people where I go into more detail like this, and people can actually ask me questions as we go. So that's the goal with that option as well, to give a lot of value. Alright, so then how to attract new followers or new clients is to do one-to-one a week with someone new that I haven't done with a one-to-one with, and that's from my BNI network, and also to check in with someone that I haven't checked in for a while that's in my BNI network already. And the goal with this is to help people get onto my following on the channel if they are not there yet, or to unlock and subscribe to my playbook to get access to that. So that's the goal here, and then to ask them to share the link onto someone else to help me grow. All right, so that's the goal with this. Then the WhatsApp channel will then basically grow based on this strategy, as well as the Facebook strategy, where I'm posting on Facebook and LinkedIn and on the channel, and I'm trying to repurpose that content to add value on social media. And I've also used a YouTube video to also gain a bit of following there. And then also the third one is to gain a referral from one of the people on my network in my database to actually become a client. So there was already someone that reached out to me from my database this week, which is exciting. So it means that something is working on the email campaigns that I'm sending out. Currently the open rate there is about 18%, which is for me between 18 and 22%. Alright, so then on the development side, to make all of this work and to create the awareness, I need to write 5 emails per week and also create a video. So the video is the video that I'm doing now. Also did a video on Monday for YouTube. So yeah, that's then a repurposing model to use, and then from there onwards post daily on WhatsApp in the group and share the value. That's by serving first. So that's what I need to develop consistently, and then improve one page or one area in my system. Because in order to do all of these things efficiently, so it doesn't cost me a lot of time, I need a system. And if you want to know more about my system, you can also just send me an email system, and I will guide you through some systems that I'm using. And then on the retention strategy to retain clients as well as retain interest in the following, the goal is to go live in the tribe on the fast track on a Wednesday afternoon, as well as the Monday 91 Day Challenge session that I go live on my actual tribe. Do 5 follow-up calls, strategic follow-up calls, more if I can. So this week I've done about 10 to 15, I think. Then I want to open up 1 to 3 doors for people that I'm having a conversation with, to see who I can connect people with so that they can grow their businesses. And that is just a giver's gain mindset that I enjoy about the whole BNI side of things. And it's a powerful way to retain trust and build trust. And then just 3 things that I personally review. The first one is I'm reviewing my 91 day plan on a weekly basis. That's what I've done now with all these green ticks for this week. And the number of new leads was 6 for the week. And then the number of new sales so far for the once off was about just over 5,000 Rand, as well as the monthly retainer clients is already standing on just over 10,000 Rand. So that means that something is already working, so I'm quite excited about that. Then we'll see how this is going to develop over time, and I'll probably give you another little week next week, or a shorter little video next week. Have an awesome weekend. Goodbye.